Okay game guys, NBA 2K17. So lalaroin po natin using MS Cyclo A8. This is Z2 Extreme. So check natin guys kung ano yung magiging performance using this handheld console. So check muna natin guys sa video settings is meron tayong 1080p tapos 120Hz and then meron po tayong high settings. Okay, so syempre guys, ito yung mga may pag na team nung diba? Nung nirelease to. So GSW at Cleveland Cavaliers. Okay, so dito guys, meron tayong 70 FPS, nagiging 60. Check natin in-game kung anong magiging performance.
Well, guys, there.
Yeah, when it rains, it pours. GA, thank you. This is a matchup featuring two gifted offensive ball clubs.
I don't think you and I are going to mind. We're going to see the ball go in the rim tonight. There's no question. What offense on both sides? These are some.
Okay, so tumaas siya guys ng 120. Ayan. So sobrang solid laruin, no? 120 yung ating FPS. So ibig sabihin kung lalagay niyo to guys sa mga handheld nyo like Steam Deck, kayang-kaya to. So check natin guys magiging gameplay. Kasi ako for me, ang pinakamaganda ko na laro na NBA is yung 2K16. Pero yung iba sabi ito rin daw yung isa sa GOAT ng mga NBA. Yung iba naman sabi 2K14.
Here's LeBron.
So yung kasi guys, 2K14 parang maganda yun sa mga console eh. Mga Xbox dati, doon siya nirelease na talagang sobrang ganda na parang next gen. Pero pag yung 2K14 nilaro nyo sa PC, parang hindi siya ganun kaganda. Hindi siya mukhang next gen. Ay, baliw, hindi tumakbo si Thompson.
Stolen by Green. And here we go with Green. Nobody back. It doesn't go for him. Some solid defense there from Irving. LeBron with it. Picked up by Thompson. Kicks it to Love. Launches it.
So yung sa guys, sa graphics parang hindi naman siya nalalayo sa 2K16. Halos parehas lang. Pero gusto ko kasi yung sa yung gameplay ng 2K16 ang ganda. Ang napaka-realistic.
Converts the layup.
Defensively, that possession better not start a trend because they just handed him 2 points.
If you're the coach, you hope it's a wake-up call. Get them to tighten things up on the inside and start protecting the rim with a little bit more authority.
Kyrie, wala.
Irving misses.
Look like it might drop for him, and you know that has to frustrate him just a bit.
So ito pala yung nataguri ang nakatawag si KD na ahas, no? Kasi nga diba, syempre kalakasan ng GS tapos nag-join siya dito eh. Pero syempre guys, 'di ba? Napakalaking bagay ng ng pumasok si KD sa GS, nabigyan niya ng 2 championship, 'di ba?
It's clear J.R. Smith settling into his role as a three-point specialist as his career tends toward the back 9. You know, he can still elevate and finish above the rim when the opportunity presents itself, but he knows his role.
James dishes to
Bobo.
On the wing, Thompson. And it's Irving with the rebound. The Cavaliers trail by 3. To the paint. Here's
Nice.
Thompson, and it's Thompson with the jam.
Yeah, guys, that takes vision and
So gameplay
to put it on time and
parang parehas lang sa 2K16, pero ano gusto ko sa 2K16 bukod sa gameplay is yung kanya mga cutscene. Ganda ng mga cutscene dun eh. Tsaka yung kulay, parang mas prefer ko yung kulay ng yung kulay ng stadium, mas siya, mas realistic. Tsaka yung smoothness nung gameplay ng 2K16 ibang klase, sobrang smooth talaga, parang napaka-optimized. Nice. Pati yung replay pares ng 2K16.
And that replay sponsored by Kia, the Kia Slam Cam, giving us
Yung scoreboard, di pa gano'ng kaganda eh, no? Pero alam ko may mga mods na ito eh, na pwede nyong gamitin. Pero I'm not sure kung may mga nag-update pa since ang tagal na itong
against Curry.
ni-release.
And Thompson kicks to Love. Irving for three.
Nice.
That's in there. Love with the assist. Irving's
Tsaka sobrang to guys, nakaka-enjoy laruin kasi
Jumper from Kyrie.
sobrang smooth na 120 FPS oh.
Takes a lot of pressure to throw his shot off. Oh, now here we go.
So kahit naka-high siya, hindi ganun kabigat.
Look, I'm fine with our defensive effort. But I know we could be doing so much better on offense. If we want to beat these guys, we have to...
Tsaka dito no, parang napansin ko sa 2K26,
I want us in our ISO sets.
magsalita man yung coach,
Put 'em on an island.
ano lang, konti lang ito,
Hey,
talagang buong time mo, nagsasalita siya, no? Galing.
Oh, he's deadly from deep. I don't think they expect to shut him down, but they've had a very tough time even containing him.
Taba. Tsaka napansin ko rin sa 2K16, yung galaw ng jersey,
West is checked in for Green.
yung pinaka-cloth simulation, ang ganda rin, napaka-realistic. Para mas gusto ko pa yung cloth simulation ng 2K16 kesa sa 2K26.
Channing Fries checked in for Thompson. Jefferson comes in for James. Shumpert is checked in for Smith. And it's Williams in for Kyrie Irving.
Pero kung NBA 2K fan ka, 'di ba? Lahat naman 'yan may enjoy mo. Talagang may mga mapapansin ka lang na parang ay mas na-enjoy ko yung ganito sa gantong gantong year. Baga mas feel ko tong 2K16 for example.
Outside Jefferson. Cleveland moving the ball around. Love right side. That gives them the
Pero sa talaga,
Love's got five.
sa likeness, kumbaga yung talagang pagkakabunga ng cyberface sa mismong player. 2K26 talaga. Napakaganda ng graphics.
Best may be yet to come, and it's this kind of back and
Ang lang kasi sa 2K26, sa sobrang na siya, sa sobrang realistic, parang naka-AI na, parang ganun.
And Shumpert pulls it down.
Ngayon lang naman yung napansin ko sa pero graphics, sobrang ganda ng 2K26. Yun nga lang, siyempre, medyo mabigat.
From the opening tip.
Hindi ka abot ng 120.
8-second difference between the shot clock.
Kasi gamit ko itong MS Cyclo sa natin, 2K26. Kaya rin naman ng ultra high, pero nasa lang siya hanggang, abot naman siya ng mga 50 to 60, ganyan.
First basket.
Pero yung consistent na 120 kagaya nito, 'di ba?
That's a big time no-no.
Williams kicks to Jefferson. It's tipped. West with the steal.
Kasi tayong mga
It's Iguodala with the
gamer ng NBA 2K, talagang isa yun sa isa yun sa pinagbabasehan natin graphics talaga no.
Easy look.
Kumbaga,
Here's Shumpert.
bukod sa ganda ng graphics, gusto natin 60 FPS pataas lagi, 'di ba?
Most importantly, it's just about how the guys
Ito nawala na rin to no, sa 2K26 parang
really bringing that
interview
energy and that attitude
every
to the body.
quarter.
A heart and
Tsaka yun pala,
soul
yung pinaka
Green has
mga
the
presentation sa 2K26 parang
kind of feed off
tinipid na. Di na gano'ng kaganda kagaya ng mga presentation dati.
Now being appreciated. He's forced his way into the discussion of top 10 players in our league.
Pero ito naman, 2K17, rin naman, goods din, realistic din naman laruin, pero mas prefer ko talaga yung 2K16.
Really active hands early on here as they're able to acquire several steals.
The activity allowing them to pressure the ball, jump into passing lanes, anything they're doing to disrupt the offense.
Iguodala out there with West. And there's Livingston. Then there's Ian Clark. And it's Pachulia in
Pero syempre, yung pagiging realistic sa lahat ng NBA, talaga, 2K26 talaga, sobrang sobrang realistic nung talagang para totoo na talaga yung player.
That's good from Shumpert on the assist by Irving. Shumpert's got 5.
And just a commendable effort from Shumpert, taking that right into the teeth of the defense.
Tapos kung gusto nyo laruin guys, so pwede po ito sa
And it's good.
PC nyo, sa handheld naman, Steam Deck, pwede rin. Tapos,
Impossible.
na yan, Xbox Ally, MSI Close. So, kung wala pa kayong guys, handheld, nagbabala kayong bumili. So sa atin guys, free games na po, di ba? Pag nag-avail kayo sa atin ng handheld console, yung pinaka-handheld nyo is pupunin na natin ng games. So kung mahilig kayo sa NBA, pwede natin ilagay ito. 2K16, pwede rin.
There's only one ball, and with all that scoring ability, I think it can be a little bit of a challenge to keep them all in the mix.
Oh, an aggressive move and fantastic.
Para kung sakaling busy kayo, wala na kayong time mag-download or maglagay ng game. So ito, pwede nyo i-try sa atin guys. Tapos nag-ship din tayo guys sa nationwide, pati international, kahit nasa abroad kayo, pwede po. Kung nasa province kayo, pwede rin. So kapag Manila area, pwede kayo mag-drop sa ating shop or pwede nating ipalala move.
Thanks DA, and spacing so crucial in today's game. And it seemed like down the stretch last season, the Cavs' big three started to find more comfort playing together, wouldn't you say?
I don't think there's any doubt, Kevin. And sometimes it's your chemistry off the court that breeds it on the court. As you become closer with players,
Thompson.
you start to trust them as individuals. It enables you to play for one another as opposed to with one another.
Kyrie.
And
Nice.
finally drops after rolling around the rim. Now it's a 5-point Cavalier lead. Golden
Yun, isa rin yung sa
State
mga napapansin ko na ano guys, solid na mga
Green kicks to
camera
Thompson.
cutscene dati.
Good, and it's Green picking up
Mas gusto ko yung ano,
He's got 5.
You can always bank on
camera
having
cutscene
an
dati
impact
kaysa sa
on the offensive
2K26 ngayon. Yung mga angulo, ang ganda, parang napakado talaga.
Outsider.
Realistic. Step back.
There's the three.
Wala.
No good on that one. And Golden State will come the other way.
Tsaka isa yun sa maganda sa 2K26 yung,
Passes to Thompson.
ang tawag doon,
Again, the miss by Thompson.
yung pro play yung tinatawag. So dito syempre dati wala pa yun eh. So ngayon sa 2K26, i-up mo lang yung right analog na ganyan.
A three ball.
Gagawin niya na yung ano niya, signature move niya. Ayun yung wala sa mga nakaraan na NBA 2K kagaya nitong 2K17.
A shot by Thompson.
So mas pinadali na.
Again, the miss by Thompson.
He's obviously still trying to find the range. No success this quarter. You wonder what it would take to get him to pass the ball.
No good from Irving.
It's ironic. As he continues to search for his rhythm, they continue to stay in the lead.
And Green gets it to go. We've seen the role of positions change so much.
Hustle up. Let's figure this out now. Let's go. Listen up. We've got to make some adjustments on offense out there. If we want to beat these guys, we have to...
Transition to Patrick Ewing, Hakeem Olajuwon, guys who played with their back to the basket. That certainly seems to be increasingly a rarity. You do have them. DeMarcus Cousins is a guy who can.
Tsaka mapansin mo guys,
You can also have a guy who faces
sa mga dating NBA, yung depensa sobrang higpit. Hindi ka basta-basta makakasalaksak. Ngayon sa 2K26 mas madali eh.
How much do the Kevin Garnett's and Dirk Nowitzki's, who at power forward spot, sort of change the way the big
Parang ganito, oh.
was looked at?
Salaksakan ganyan, oh. Talagang didigat ang depensa agad eh. Sa 2K26 mas madali makalusot. Kunyari yan, salaksakan ganyan yan, oh. Talagang babagal ka eh. Sa 2K26 mas madaling makalusot sa depensa.
For the big to stretch and shoot, and your mouth is agape, just watching what they're doing.
Yeah, and I've had basketball coaches.
Ngayon lang naman yung mga napapansin ko na ano, na diferensya sa depensa.
Than a big man who can be a three-tool player. Dribble, pass, and shoot.
Curry can't get it to go.
Boy, very surprising he clanked that one.
Pero yung abangan natin yung 2K27, may nagsabi sa akin, ay nabasa ako na ano, na sobrang realistic daw talaga nun. Kung realistic na yung 2K26, mas realistic daw yung 2K27. So, ayun yung abangan natin. Tapos sobrang laking bagay din kasi na ano, no, nirelease na yung next gen sa mga PC. Dati kasi, kung di nyo pa alam guys, kunyari bago lang kayo nagkaroon ng PC, tapos fan kayo ng NBA 2K. Dati guys, 2K23 to 2K25 puro ano lang, puro current gen lang, hindi siya next gen. So nag-start yung next gen 2K20, ay 2K25 bata, next gen na. Doon ako nagkakamali.
4 seconds separating the shot and game clocks.
2K25 ba?
Smith on the wing.
Oo, 2K25 nag-start yung next gen.
Smith's
Pati yung
got the
2K26, so
11-5
tuloy-tuloy
now
na.
for Cleveland.
How about the passing?
Dati kasi, di ba, dati napipirata lahat ng release ng NBA 2K eh. Ngayon talagang hindi mo na siya mapipirata. Kailangan mo na talaga siyang bilhin.
You know, that's just great teamwork. Sharp assist, nice shot. Boy, love it.
Okay, so 37-34 tayo guys. So ano naman, goods naman yung gameplay nito. Parang kahawig lang din ng 2K16.
Thanks a lot.
The 2K Sports
Pero mas gusto ko talaga yung galaw sa 2K16. So kung hindi nyo pa nalaro-laruin nyo yung 2K16.
Hey folks, the first quarter for the Cavaliers was fairly even. They never trailed by more than
Ayun, yung mga ganyang mga presentation. Sa 2K26 parang ano lang, napakasimple, parang tipid na tipid.
Really hung tough as we got close. And that's it for halftime as the
And it's been a back and forth game so far with no ground given through the first half. Third quarter starting here now. We've seen Kevin Durant really having a
Okay, third quarter tayo
They
guys.
just dropped for him consistently. He was in a zone in that first
Nga,
half.
pumutok na si Thompson Ito hindi mo akalain maghihiwalay no.
You let 'em get going, can get it done.
Si Kerry tsaka si Thompson, Splash Brothers.
Irving and J.R. Smith of the backcourt.
Bagay, Lebron nga tsaka naghiwalay no.
Two superstars.
Lebron tsaka Kyrie nga naghiwalay
Thompson in at the 5.
If LeBron James is connecting from the outside, the defense is in trouble. Nice stroke from downtown.
It's Curry outside.
Pumutok na Splash Brothers
Green picking up the assist. Curry's got it all tied up.
Ilaksak tayo. Uy, naliwa.
Had point forwards in the league before, but Draymond Green really in a lot of ways is a new breed of a point
Still.
forward. I mean, he does it as an undersized power forward. It does it on a team that plays at an extremely high tempo. And remember, he's also asked oftentimes
Nalaksak.
to guard centers and post players. And so when you factor in
Yun.
the overall versatility that he
Nice,
brings
foul
to the
counted.
roster, he's as valuable as anybody in our league.
You know, LeBron James has been fouled so many times in his career, it doesn't even faze him anymore. There is no stopping this guy.
The Cavaliers shooting their first free throw of the contest.
And as a group, they shot 75% from the line last season.
Thompson outside. Lets it go from deep. It's rebounded by Cleveland. LeBron's got 3 rebounds so far in the game. Left side Irving.
Grabe naman yun.
A beautiful reverse layup. Now it's a 5-point Cavalier lead.
Great beginning to this second half. Now 3 for 4 from the field.
Durant for 3. He's now made half of
Grabe naman yun.
That's his 5th basket.
Basic na basic kay
Has to stay attached to him on
Durant.
the perimeter.
Thompson a screen on Curry.
Nice.
Kyrie Irving again.
Lakas ni Kyrie dati, no? Kalakasan ni Kyrie.
80% shooting to start the
Ngayon, na-injured eh.
And Durant, here we go.
Pero kung hindi kaya nawatak ang no?
Curry.
Nagwatak-watak si mga Cubs, no?
He's just stone cold right now.
Kunyari si magkasama pa rin dito. Nakakapag-championship kaya sila ulit.
And close to making the defense pay.
Pwede, parang pero mahirap, no? Napakarami na rin kasi malalakas na team ngayon.
Find Green, he's got it now. And there's the whistle, fouled hard on the shot. He'll go to the line. It's going to go on Tristan Thompson. And when you see, Greg, this team play with Draymond Green, you can see that he's the heart and soul of the club.
As impressive as
Okay, 47-44 dikit.
his intangibles are just as valuable. Steph Curry's the MVP of the league, but Draymond Green is the MVP of this team.
Andre Iguodala is checked in for Golden
Nice.
State. Livingston comes in for Curry.
I'll tell you, when Irving is hot, there isn't much you can do to slow him down. Pretty much have to ride out the storm, guys.
And we've got an update here, so let's check in with David Aldridge reporting from the sideline.
Well, guys, we know our old friend Steve Kerr was new to coaching when he took the reins of the Warriors.
Tsaka yun pala, yun din, napansin ko rin.
He said that
Yung crowd dati, parang lang, fault ulit lang. Di kagaya ng sa 2K26, di ba? May mga, may mga celebrity.
I believe in the calm presence of a coach More so than the ranting and raving and screaming and yelling. Guess that's what he says to the referees anyway, guys.
Cool under pressure, but DA,
Wala.
he's as competitive as
So ano yun, 'di ba? Napaka-realistic nung kasi napakarami nanonood ng mga celebrity sa NBA, 'di ba?
Now here's Pachulia, guarded by Franz.
Tsaka yun, yung may mga ano na sila, smartphone, papansin mo yun, nagse-selfie sila.
Cut down now to just
So yun yung mga ano,
Pachulia.
I think
mga
you have to respect how
advantage ng
professional he is
2K26.
at getting strong position underneath the rim. Once he
Kasi
gets
dati,
the
di ba, may
ball,
mga
those
smartphone na rin naman na ito eh. Hindi nila naisipan gawin. Wala.
Doesn't get it to drop for him. Great tee that time from Green. For the
Kasi kahit
lead,
yung crowd di mo napapansin,
gets the rebound.
pero ano rin yun, malaking details din yun na
Livingston
nagiging realistic yung game dahil sa crowd.
Enough bodies on the glass right there, and they paid for it.
Gotta believe they'll hear about it in that next time out. They have to box out better.
Green against
Fade away,
on
pang,
the wing, he knocks it down.
52-50.
LeBron's got 8 points.
You know, you have to like that he's still getting quality touches and delivering.
Tsaka yung
now
difficulty.
after getting blanked in the first half.
Eto, nakaano ako rito, pro.
Great competitive game so far.
And from the
So hindi naman ganun kahirap makapasok ng tira.
Timeout called the Cavaliers.
Ang mahirap ngayon makapasok ng tira 2K26 kahit pro pa lang. Hindi naman mahirap pero ano na, challenging na.
Are as good as some starting units in the NBA.
and for some teams,
Kasi
that
ako,
can cause
yung iba kasi naglalaro ng mga, di ba, mga ano,
they feel they deserve. When you're playing
Hall of
for a team
Fame,
that's
grabe yung mga yun.
championship,
Lalakas maglaro.
players understand that some
Kasi Hall of Fame, di ko na kaya, di ko na kayang manalo. Sobrang hirap. Kasi ako,
Golden State. West comes in for
naglalaro ako to enjoy. Kasi pag nag-Hall of Fame ako, hindi na ako nag-enjoy, na-stress na ako sa gameplay eh. So ano lang ako, more on pro lang talaga ako. Di na ako- ano lang talaga ako, more on pastime lang, palipas oras lang, pampawala lang ng stress.
Can't hit that one.
Pero may iba-iba talagang mga malakas maglaro ng NBA 2K eh.
left, they still can go.
Nakapag-champion sa Hall of Fame, grabe.
Williams can't hit.
Yeah, but the defense was determined not to give him an inch of free space.
Pachulia. And 3 chances on that possession, but they just couldn't find a way to score. A drive by
Bag, foul counted.
The foul, a powerhouse move, and he's got a chance for one more at the line. That one on Thompson.
Yeah, the determination there from
Tag.
Sean was something else. Took the foul, converts the basket, beautiful.
And he'll be shooting his first free throw.
Tsaka dito, ang hirap. Di mas mahirap pero hindi ganun kadali mag-alley-oop compare sa 2K26. Sa 2K26 kasi,
6 for 12.
And that solid play in
once na magpaano ka, box out ka, tatakbo na agad siya sa harapan. Kumbaga gets niya na agad.
Just to Shumpert. Off the mark there with the three-point shot.
Dito, pag gagawin mo yung alley-oop, hindi basta-basta tumatakbo yung player sa
Neck and neck game.
sa harap ng ring.
Now let's listen in to head coach
So sa
Steve
2K26 kasi,
Get a couple stops, we get a couple run
box out lang, punta agad sa yun eh. Matic alley-oop agad.
right ahead in what's been a very well-contested game.
So dito, nangyari ganyan.
Steph Curry's out
Nangyari
there
akong
with
ganyan.
Clark.
Oh, hindi siya tumatakbo agad oh. Kaya pag i-alley-oop,
West again at the 5 down low. That's the Warriors 5. Here's Durant, and then Durant with the
okay, lamang na sila.
great
Ay, fourth quarter na pala.
teams are waging here today.
Oh, you have to love the spirit, the competition. In fact, it's so close right now, it's hard to say who has the advantage.
And out
Pounded.
away from Irving for 3.
Wala.
Warriors with the
Talo
rebound.
pa ata tayo rito ah.
Durant's got his 3rd rebound tonight. And Curry
Patay.
has it in the corner.
Nice, wala.
Target with his 3.
You know, this hasn't been his best game, but he's been aggressive and they're winning.
Cheers, Smith. Cheers, wish. Pang,
By
nice.
And
Smith.
really, Smith is always looking to fire.
Ito, isa rin to sa eh, no?
Touches the ball. The D has to be more aware.
Nagpanalo sa sa
Clark takes
Cubs.
it to West. The
Sure ball din dati si
to the
eh.
middle. Stolen by Thompson.
J.R. Smith eh. Adik lang talaga eh.
A little over a minute. of
Wala pala si
fourth quarter
Lebron,
right
no?
now. Love the pass to Smith. Irving
Isa pa.
kicks to Smith.
Swish.
Off off
La.
target from three-point range. The Warriors trailing. Shoots from the line.
Nice.
And again, it's the Warriors missing. And oh, here we go. Smith's got it.
Counted.
Chance.
And instead of just trying to draw the foul, Love maintains his focus despite some stiff defense. Great hands, great body control, allowing him to get it done.
Here's Curry.
Grabe naman yun.
As he is fouled, it'll be 3 points if he converts.
Nakapansin ko lang rito yung mga mata nila, no?
And guys, all
Dilat na dilat eh.
hard work from this point on. They've worked hard to
Bilog na bilog.
that high quality shot and then able to knock it down.
And the Warriors with some changes. Pachulia, he's checked in for West. Draymond Green comes in for Andre Iguodala. And it's Thompson in for Ian Clark. And Cleveland also making a change.
Heat check, nice.
Irving's shot is good.
He's hit 4 now from behind the arc, 2 in each half, making an impact.
Outside Green.
Wala.
By
Nice.
Love.
Incredible defense. Takes real courage to risk getting posterized and come up with a big
Nice.
And Thompson throws it.
Anim.
Well, Thompson's athleticism allows him to finish with power.
Thompson outside. Durant against James. Durant, no good.
And the great shooters know when they've got enough opening to go for the three. I didn't think it was a bad choice on that possession.
Now here's James.
Bag.
Pushed off by LeBron.
If LeBron gets speed at the rim, it takes a couple of steel walls to slow him down. And even then, he'll finish the job.
And again, no good by Golden State. And here are the Cavaliers. They're on a 12-3 run.
Nice. Nakapag-alley-oop din.
Thompson with the jam.
You can see how long Thompson's arms are when he goes up to finish that.
Nice.
Warriors trailed by 10. Timeout called the Warriors.
Now that's how we play the game. Bring it in. Let's go.
Ayun, no, talagang ano. Nagsiselfie pala sila rito. Hindi ko napansin.
Listen up. We have these guys back on their heels.
Tsaka dito nga parang mas ano ko, mas ramdam ko yung coach. Talagang ano, pag nag-time out,
Harder than he has been.
It's a chance
talagang ano,
of our crew Hall of Famer.
read na rin yung boses ng coach.
Thanks, Kevin. Well, Steve Kerr talked to his team during the break, and he was emphatic. He said, "We are not going to win this game playing this way, fellas. You've got to step it up. You've got to get aggressive, and you've got to battle to get back in this thing." See if that pep talk got him going, guys.
Love outside.
Love. Wala.
A three-pointer off the mark. Warriors have gone 3 of 8 here in the fourth quarter. It's Curry outside. Bangs home the trifecta. And now it's only a 5-point Cavalier lead.
And they'll be counting on even more points from him. That's essential if they're going to pull this game out.
Basic lang.
This guy's going to shy away from. He'll be calling for the ball every chance he gets.
How about the leaner? Only the guys with the sweetest of strokes can pull that off in traffic.
Picked by Pachulia. Jacks up a 3. And
Grabe naman yun, nag-iinit.
Curry's got 12 points here in the second half.
I'll tell you can tell Pachulia loves setting screens, and defenders must
Yung ano,
running into a
Kyrie.
brick wall.
Irving against Curry.
Nice. Counted.
And
Wala.
lots of
Sayang.
contact there. Missing the shot. He'll shoot 2. So the first one drops, and that puts them up by 5. Second one is good. Hitting both at the line, and it's a 6-point ball game.
Yeah, they have to be feeling a little bit more comfortable after the free throws add to their lead.
Green, the screen. From deep. Curry can't get it to go.
And on an open look like that, he's very gifted at making the weak.
Bag.
And James throws it down.
I'd say the strength
Lebron,
of a locomotive
cabron.
and the finesse
Pulboron.
of a ballerina each time he takes it to the rim.
Thompson outside. Good, and Curry gets the assist. Curry's got his 7th assist in the game.
And those are the types of shots down the stretch that win you ball game.
Curry against Irving. Offensive rebound. And Thompson kicks to Irving. Stolen
Ayun,
by
style pa yun.
on the wing, Thompson.
Ay,
Right side Curry.
masok.
Fine roll that time off
Dikit
the rim
ah.
as
Wala ng laban ah.
And now just a 3-point Cleveland lead. They'll be trying to take as much time off the clock as they can.
Exactly. Expect to see longer possession.
Sinayawan, sinayawan.
Here's Irving. Thompson dishes to
Big
Irving.
buklok sa steal.
Still a chance here, but they need to score.
They cannot afford to
Tay.
waste a single possession at this point.
Yun, wala.
Knocks
Ay,
it loose.
gagi.
Thompson for the triple.
Gagi.
Oh, that was
Nag-all pa.
three-pointer.
That was massive.
Ang ganda ng laban ah.
The clutch with a big shot.
Irving against Curry. Now Irving. Love outside. From outside the arc.
Gagi. Nag-OT pa.
Timeout called by
Grabe naman yan. Ay, di ba pala. Gagi, kala ko tapos na. Patay.
Here's Durant. Regulation is ended and we're heading to
Ay, hindi kala
overtime.
pumasok.
It's
Okay,
the
okay.
NBA on 2K Sports from Oracle Arena in Oakland,
Di
California.
umabot, di umabot. Nice, nice, nice.
Well, if you're just joining us, this one has been a great one. We've got overtime action now, folks. So Cleveland will get the first possession. And away we go here with post-regulation basketball. All fueled up and ready to go
Shumpert.
overtime basketball.
Nice.
Brought to us by Gatorade. Let's check out who's on the floor. So on the floor for Cleveland, Love and Thompson, the hard rebounding post pair. Shumpert,
Napaseryoso ako dito ng laro ah.
and it's Irving in at the point guard position.
Nice.
Green, no luck. The Cavaliers.
Talaksak na yan. Libre, love.
Passes to Love.
Hin.
Love with another miss.
Sablay sila ba?
Nice open look. You'll take those anytime you can get an uncontested shot.
Got that one up quick. 8 points for Draymond Green. Cleveland's gone 1 of 2 so far in their three-point attempts in overtime. Irving kicks to Love. On the wing, James.
Heat check, Lolo Bron. Nice.
Great assist by Love. And that's 19 points for LeBron.
Well, should any of us be surprised if they need a bucket? LeBron says, "Get me the ball," and delivers once again.
Curry kicks to Thompson. Shot from free throw range.
Nabahan.
James with the rebound. LeBron's got 6 rebounds in the game.
Basic lang. Ay pucha, wala na naman.
Out to Shumpert.
Libre.
Irving for 3.
Nice.
Threes it from three-point range.
Nag-init.
Irving's got 23 points.
You know what you love about Kyrie?
23
is that he's
points.
always prepared to shoot when he is roaming in space.
Good on that shot.
Mga kanapa si Kerry ah.
Lead is cut back down to 4 points with the basket from Curry. Cleveland's gone 3 of 4 from three-point range since the start of overtime. Very solid. Irving kicks to LeBron.
Nice.
Cleveland again with the bucket.
And LeBron James showing no signs of slowing up anytime soon, scoring with ease.
Green, the screen. And Thompson kicks to
Grabe naman yun.
and the 3 off target. For Cleveland, they've gone a little over 50% from the field in overtime. They're 4 of 6.
Libre oh.
Inside, here's Thompson.
Ay gagi.
The kick out to
Nakuha.
Irving. Outside jumper. Cleveland moving the ball around. James outside. That one misses. Curry with the defensive effort.
Time running low here.
They have to score quickly and then foul immediately.
Curry with another miss. And now we've got
foul.
an intentional foul.
Wala ko, talo pa tayo eh.
And an intentional foul right there. And no good.
Nabahan pa oh.
Free throw missing for him. We'll see if he can nail the second.
You guys know LeBron James relishes every chance he gets from the foul line, and usually he'll knock him down.
Timeout called the Warriors. They're down by 7. 23 seconds left to play in OT, and this battle continuing.
Tsaka yun nga pala yung sweat. Napansin ko rin yung pawis.
Durant for 3.
Sa 2K16, kahit ilang minuto ko pala naglalaro, talagang pawis na agad eh.
And so it's Cleveland with it. They've led by as much as 10.
Yun ang pinakamabilis na ano eh. Napansin ko na ano, sweat effect sa 2K16. Na konting minuto pa lang, pawis sa pawis talaga eh.
Listen, guys, we've got one guy doing all the damage out there.
Overtime action has been terrific. Livingston dishes to West.
Still po, kawawa.
Outside Williams.
2, 1.
Fires from deep.
Bang! Tinirahan pa ng tres. Oh.
And it's a 12-point Cleveland lead.
This is a serious game-clinching run they're on.
Listen, if you want to succeed, respect the moment, play with a purpose. That's what they did.
Okay, so ayun guys ang ating gameplay ng NBA 2K17. So kung gusto nyo itong laruin guys, sa inyong mga console, so pin mo na kayo guys sa ating Facebook page para sa link neto kung gusto nyo itong download. Or kung wala pa kayong handle console tapos gusto nyo yung may games na, PM lang po kayo sa ating Facebook page guys, Nerbits TV. So nagsiship po tayo guys nationwide pati international. So thank you for watching guys and happy gaming.